Okay, we're vacuuming out the air conditioning system now. This is the manifold gauge set. The yellow hose goes down to the vacuum pump. And as you can see, it's sucking out the moisture from the air conditioning system. Here are the connections. The blue is the low pressure side. The red is the high pressure side. You want to recharge it on the blue side, the low pressure side. Both connectors are different sizes, so you can't switch them. On the caps, they're labeled. The blue one has an L for low, and the black cap has an H for high. So we're going to run this about minimum 30 minutes, and already I think we got some good pressure vacuum, because on the blue side it's close to 30 psi, and on the red side it's touching 0, just where we want it. So we're going to let this run for another half an hour and completely try to get all the moisture out of the AC system. You should vacuum the system for a minimum of 30 minutes. In this case, I vacuumed it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I shut off the high and low pressure valves and then turned off the compressor pump. At that point, you want to leave this waiting for about 15 minutes to see if it's leaking. In this case, I've waited about 20 minutes and the readings are steady. 30 psi on the low side and 0 psi on the high side, so I can go ahead and take off the connectors. First you want to turn the valves counterclockwise to shut them off, then you can remove them, and then you're ready to charge up the system with a refrigerant. Because of low pressure in the system, the compressor wasn't coming on, so I had to take off the relay, as you can see, and I had to jump from pin 30 to pin 87. I'll show you where it is. So I'm putting a pin in here and to jump between 30 and 87, and you could hear the click of the compressor engaging. That way I got my line hooked up and started taking in Freon finally, because as I pressed it, the can was getting cold, and you can see the pressure is jumped up from 0. Now it's in the blue range. So it is now taking the charge. Now the compressor is going on. Okay, I've recharged the system. It's about a little over 40 degrees. It's in the green zone. The lowest I could get it before the recharge was 70 degrees. So a 30-degree drop there. Again, I rented a vacuum pump and manifold gauge set. The vacuum pump was $155. The gauge set was $130. So you're looking at a total of $285. But once you return both sets, AutoZone refunds you, so you get that money back. So in essence, you rented it for free. The thing is, you have to check around. Not all AutoZones rent these tools, so check around, and the day before you go, give them a call, see if they have it available so you don't waste the time.